This is Georgine, who lives on Riverwalk in San Antonio, Texas. She may be the daughter of George the Duck. Every day, countless tourists take a look at the memorial to George the Muscovy Duck, who was tortured and killed in May 2013 on Riverwalk. Georgine has lots of company on Riverwalk: pigeons, ducks, sleeping ducks, jumping ducks, swimming ducks, white-breasted ducks who could be her siblings and who could be George's children. It's a miracle duck. To me, it's a miracle duck.
Okay.
It's like the Hunchback of Riverwalk. It's healthy. Look at it. It's just full of life. It can walk. I've seen it walking.
Okay, not fly though.
I don't know. You know, it might not be able to. That's right.
What do you think? Pretty much sideways.
You know, it could have been born that way, or somebody could have tried to wring its neck. It didn't kill it. I wonder if it's trying to fly, you know, as it flaps its wings like that. It'd be interesting to come back to see if this one finds a mate. Georgine will never be as pretty as this duck. Or these. She has her own beauty.